What is the value of the expression 6 plus open parenthesis 48 divided by 8 times 2 close parenthesis and multiplied by 2 cubed? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is so tricky that 95% of people get the wrong answer. Let's go step by step and solve it together. To solve this question, many people first go straight to the parentheses and start with the division between 48 and 8. So, they write this expression as 6 plus 6 times 2 inside the parentheses, then multiplied by 2 cubed. In the next step, they perform the multiplication between 6 and 2 and simplify this expression to 6 plus 12 multiplied by 2 cubed. Then, they move on to the addition between 6 and 12 and write this expression as 18 multiplied by 2 cubed. And the final step, they go to the exponent and replace this expression with 18 multiplied by 8, which finally gives them the answer 144. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option D. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question again go straight to the parentheses, but this time they start with the multiplication between 8 and 2 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they rewrite this expression as 6 plus 48 divided by 16 inside the parentheses, then multiplied by 2 cubed. In the next step, they perform the division between 48 and 16 and simplify this expression to 6 plus 3 multiplied by 2 cubed. Next, they go to the exponent and simplify to 6 plus 3 multiplied by 8. In the final step, they perform the multiplication between 3 and 8 because they believe multiplication has priority over addition. So, they rewrite this expression as 6 plus 24, which eventually gives them the answer 30. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option B is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We should perform these operations exactly in order from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Okay, as you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then parentheses, after that we have a multiplication sign, and finally an exponent. We must start with the parentheses first, because parentheses have the highest priority compared to all other operations. And inside the parentheses, first we have a division sign and then a multiplication sign. It's very important to remember that multiplication and division are at the same level of precedence. In this situation, we must start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, we begin with the division between 48 and 8, and this expression simplified to 6 plus 6 times 2. Inside the parentheses, then multiplied by 2 cubed. In the next step, we perform the multiplication between 6 and 2, and write this expression as 6 plus 12 multiplied by 2 cubed. In the following step, it's time to handle the exponent, because according to the PEMDAS rule, after parentheses, exponent has the highest priority compared to the other operations. So, this expression simplified to 6 plus 12 multiplied by 8. And the final step, we perform the multiplication between 12 and 8 and simplify this expression to 6 plus 96, which finally gives us the answer 102. That's correct. Option C is the correct answer to this question.